Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater.
We got this 96 Caprice, about to clone it to an Impala. I'm gonna do the paint work on it. Panoramic already in. I also got a free panoramic the owner gave me. I'll tell you more about that. See, I got the floor shifter, the paint over there. He done did everything up for me, took everything off. Door handles, molding, door panels, everything. I most definitely like customers like this here. Less work I gotta do. I like that hood. I might go with a hood like this on mine. He even marked some of the dents for me. But I'm gonna pull it around back and we're gonna check it out more. I just realized he had this floor shift in. I ain't see that when he was here, dropping it off. Sound good too. I like the way he did that floor shifter here. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice clone here. And look where he got the buttons for the roof at. Y'all see the shade, don't you? Steal some ideas from him on this here. Yeah, we're gonna pull it around, see what we got. This here gonna give me motivation. I'm doing my project. That's what I was telling him before he left. Yeah, it sound good. I wonder what kind of mufflers he got on here. Guess we'll leave it right here. Pop the hood for you. Yeah, he showed me this before he left. I like the way he got it done up under there. Real nice, LT. This made me not even want to swap my Impala to a LS. I'm just gonna clean my LT1 up. If it's gonna look like this here. Yeah, it's real nice here. He done put some time in it. He said he done all this within a year. Yeah, I'm gonna get a hood like this here. I like that. Axles. See the Create ones. Yeah, he done painted everything up on here. It's real nice here. He said somebody had some 28s on here. The guy he bought it from and cut it, so he had wheel it back. I just gotta clean it up a little bit. That's about it. Let me cut it off so you'll be able to hear me. Alright. But this sunroof here, he said he watched my video when I went to Memphis and got the one out the Cadillac SRX. He said he watched mine and he had to go get it. So he got it, but he said, nah, it's just too big. He won't cut his top up that much, so he went with a Cadillac CTS roof. So he said he just gonna donate this to the channel. So I'll be putting this in something, which I already got one. I'm gonna put in mine, but I appreciate that. See, he got his drain lines ran over there, so he got it done the right way. What else we got here? Oh, let me tell you more about the car here. We're going with a custom color, and we're gonna be using some Grant Cell Clear, which y'all been waiting on that. Which I'm gonna use that on my personal projects, but I finally got to spray it on a customer car. Then he make it so bad, he done left me with some fiberglass resin. What else he got here? Oh, that's the Grant Cell. I'm gonna open that up when I take it in the shop. Then we got the paint right there, plenty of paint. I'm gonna have to get that old sunroof up out of there. That thing not huge. But the body work, the body don't look bad. See, three little dings he got marked off right here. I'll probably find some more, but I'm gonna look it over real good. We're gonna paint up under the hood. He should have plenty of paint, and we're just gonna paint here. We're gonna keep that black like he got it. I like it like that. Have my engine bay black as well. And he told me I think it's the back bumper. He wanted me to take the bumper off and spray all this the same color as well. Let me pop the trunk, see what he got up in there. See, he got a dent there, he got marked. Okay, he got all the trim, the mirrors. But y'all know we're gonna be color matching everything, the color of the car, because on Caprices, they got chrome, but Impalas don't got no chrome, so all this getting the same color. Also the trim. That's the wing, spoiler. Pretty sure he got all that, everything he need. Look at it, he even taped up the Impala for me. Yeah, it looked like he had a system in here. I see the RCA jacks. Yeah, he got everything in here painted black. Yeah, we're gonna paint this same color of the car. It's not gonna be black, but like he done replaced it before because the car is actually white. From the factory. But look at the pearl. Somebody painted it, got a blue pearl on it. I like the pearl though. But you can see they didn't take the molding off because ain't no paint up on that. That's what happened when you don't take the molding off. It'll start peeling. See how that's peeling? So you gotta take all that off. Start peeling on you like that. See? But check out the roof though. He did a good job. He said he done this, watch my videos. I don't realize how many people I be reaching through YouTube. But I guess I'll open the roof for y'all. Then we'll take the paint out and I'll show you what we got for us to paint. And what I done did with the keys. I got 1,000,000 of them. All these cars I got. I'm working on at the time. Let me find these keys. They gotta be somewhere. I just cut the car off here. Okay, here they go. But I like that the way he got that. It look factory. Sound good, that over there. That's the shade. We're gonna open this thing on up. Yeah, I think he did all right. I just gotta finish it on out. All right, let's pull it on in and we'll get unloaded. All right, this is the material for the Caprice / Impala. Let's see what we got here. We got some fiberglass resin. It brought me some USC 17,000. That's good looking out. Most customers don't bring the bodywork material. I have a few that do, but most of them don't. You brought me some fiberglass mat. That's the clear. See what this is here. I think this is the reducer because he's asking me how much he gonna need. We got 2 gallons of reducer. Custom Shop Series, slow. I told him to get slow because by the time I paint the car, it should be pretty hot, so that'll work good. Then we got the paint here. Well, this the base coat and the pearl. Let me see what's what. Color Dirty Sprite. The color, what's this here? This layer 2, so this the pearl. All of it in the same can. It's layer 2, that's the pearl. It's layer 1, so this the base coat. Might as well open up a can, both 2 of these cans, and we'll see what they is, what they look like. We'll open up these before we get the clear out. Y'all wait 1 second. I'll get these off, put these old gloves on. We'll open up these cans. It mixes 1 to 1. That's why we got 2 gallons of reducer. This is the base coat here. What color y'all think this is? I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds. Get in the comment section. There's the base coat. I see why it mixes 1 to 1. Look how thick it is. It's a lot of material you gonna get out this here, mixing 1 to 1. Yeah, that's pretty thick there. Now, let's open up this pearl. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to get this off. Let me grab another one. Maybe another one come out pretty easy. Well, I got the camera on. Layer 2. Sometimes they come off easy, sometimes they don't. Got that one now. Let me shake it up. And there's the pearl. What y'all think that's gonna make, that mixture? I think it's gonna look good. Kind of excited to spray this here. But y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get it done though. Oh, now I forgot to show y'all the clear. The most important part of the ingredients. Wait 1 second. Let me move all this out the way. All right. It's that Grant Cell. Oh my, high solid clear coat. I'm putting this on my personal vehicles as well. I sprayed some rims with it before. The owner of this Caprice, he asked me Have I heard of Grant 7? I said, yeah, that's my boy there. We've been supporting each other for the longest, and he said, is his clear coat some good? I said, yes, it's some good. I done sprayed it. So this is what we're gonna go with. And I know a lot of folks been waiting on me to spray some of this on the car. It don't look like I'm gonna be spraying none if y'all waiting on my personal cars no time soon. So this will be a good time right here. We're gonna be using this Grant 7. Mixes 2 to 1. See what he got in here. Sprays that he recommended to spray it at 32 psi. 1.4 tip, sprayed at 35 psi. Yeah, you gotta adjust your guns because ain't no gun the same. All of them different. So 70 degrees, 140 degrees, 5 minutes. You know, they just tell you everything. Safety and how you need to spray it. But y'all stay tuned. I think this is gonna be a good build here for the channel. What y'all think? I'm finna host me a car show, y'all. What y'all think? I got enough cars back here. I think this gonna be it. Of me taking cars, try to get some of these knocked out the way. I'm about done with this box Chevy here though. I just gotta pinstripe it. And it's probably, well, I'm pretty sure it'll be done by the time y'all see this video. But yeah, got enough projects on my hand now. I gotta clear up some space. And I got a couple of them back here that I'm working on. Y'all stay tuned.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from